Hello everyone, I am Yvonne with DevWidgets, and today I'm going to talk to you about what is a programming language. So today in our everyday world, right, we talk in languages to each other. So I, for example, speak English, I speak Spanish, and a little bit of Portuguese. So if you say to me, ¿Qué día es hoy? My mind thinks and says, okay, I know what that means. That means what day is today? And then I respond with, today is Tuesday. Now, programming languages are specific for computers instead of people. So using a programming language, you give the computer instructions on what to do to determine what the right day is and what they should return. A compiler translates that instruction into a language or into something that that computer understands. So when you run that program, it turns around and says that today is Tuesday. One thing I want to call out is that a computer is not, this actual computer that you type on and you look on the screen. Really, it's any electronic device around your house and everything you do from day to day that has an operating system that runs programs on it. Your cell phone that you use, your smartwatch, your refrigerator has an operating system, your air conditioner, the car that you drive in, and many, many other things that you use every single day uses programming languages. So programming languages have been around for a long time. The first high-level programming language was developed in the 1950s. And some of those languages would be like Short Code by John Mauchly. There's Fortran. There's also Flowmatic by Grace Hopper. Yay! Just a few programming languages are Python, JavaScript, Typescript, Go, Ruby, Language, Objective-C, Scala. As you heard me say some of those, I'm hoping that you recognize that some of those languages are for front-end web developers or front-end software engineers versus back-end software engineers. There are some languages that I mentioned that mobile developers use as well. So again, programming languages are used in many, many, many different parts of our lives today. It is the language that you use to tell a computer how to return a specific answer. If you're interested to learn more about web development and what it takes to make fully featured widgets, subscribe, like, and share. Most importantly, happy coding.